So here's a quick walk around tour of our room at Boardwalk. I was going to film the first day that we got here and give the clean room tour, but we just unpacked quick and ran to the parks. So didn't have a chance to film anything then, but here it is now. No voice. We're getting ready to leave. We're already packed up. I came up here to do my last check to make sure we didn't forget anything and film this quick video for you guys so you can see the room. We are right by the bus stop, right out the window here, as you'll see, or overlooking the walkway to the bus stop, which was fine. It wasn't loud, nothing that ever woke me up, but overall the room was great. And until then, we'll see you next time, Boardwalk.